Why TVs are dead in 2025. Samsung 130-inch the premier triple laser 4K projector exposed. Ever sat there screaming at your blurry, pixelated TV thinking, why does this look like 2003? You're not alone. Between overpriced OLEDs, messy mounts, and screens that just can't handle daylight, traditional TVs are sabotaging your binge sessions. Frustration mounts when you're halfway through a blockbuster and the blacks look gray, the sound feels flat, and that cinematic experience is just sad. You dropped serious cash on your setup, but it's like watching IMAX through a keyhole. What's worse? You know there's better tech, but no one told you about it, yet. Now crank that pain up. Crushing FOMO when your friends brag about their home theater setups. Missed Netflix nights because your premium TV can't handle sunlight? Burnout from constant tweaks, upgrades, and DIY speaker hacks just to get decent audio? Yeah, we get it. You're stuck in a toxic relationship with your TV. And every second you hesitate, you're losing that big screen, immersive cinema experience that's literally sitting just inches away from your wall. Feels like betrayal, right? Your dream home theater's being held hostage, and your patience is wearing thin. Meet your tech savior. The Samsung 130-inch the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart triple laser projector. This isn't a projector, it's the cinema you thought you couldn't afford. With mind-melting 4K resolution, triple laser brightness, and bone-shaking 4.2 channel surround sound, the Premier transforms your bland living room into a Hollywood-grade theater. It sits inches from your wall, no drilling required, and throws a jaw-dropping 130-inch screen that'll leave your TV in the dust. Alexa's built-in. Tizen smart apps are preloaded. Game. Stream. Vibe. Boom. Life changed. Now imagine simplified movie nights. Gaming sessions on a screen so huge your jaw drops every time. Crisper colors. Sound that punches like a live concert. Setup that's idiot-proof. No mounts. No fuss. Just massive, razor-sharp visuals. Whether you're a cinephile, a gamer, or just a Netflix junkie wanting better vibes, the Premiere is your new best friend. Wanna upgrade your entire viewing life? Scroll down, hit that like button, and join the home cinema revolution. Trust me, your eyes and ears will thank you. Don't wait. TVs are yesterday. Join the thousands who've already made the leap to laser brilliance. Supplies are tight, and this Samsung gem isn't sitting on shelves long. Every second you wait is another night wasted staring at boring black boxes. Click that link, order your Premiere, and start living your big screen dreams now. Smash subscribe, drop your TV regret story in the comments, and welcome yourself to the future of home entertainment. Time to ditch your TV forever.